Today I'm unboxing the Spring Anthology Collection by Beetles. Let's take a moment to admire this packaging. I love it, like OMG. It's giving sweet spring. If I could describe it in 2 words, that's what I would pick. Let's get started. Let's see what we got. As soon as I open this, I noticed the phone charm. And it is so cute. It's pastry theme. It has a cute little heart. I can't wait to put this on my phone. Like, Beetles, you outdid yourself. Then we have this little board where we're gonna swatch our colors. And it also comes with this cute pink magnetic wand. And then look at the packaging. I swear, I lost for words. But if the packaging isn't cute enough, just look at the nail polishes, look at the packaging inside. This collection comes with 20 gel polish colors. You get some cat eyes, you get some regular colors, and then it also comes with the matte and top coat and a base gel. And the packaging is so cool. We get this ombre bottle. And let me show you all the colors. Now that I'm all finished, let me show you all the gel polishes. Look at all these colors. Let me know which one you would pick. Then I'm also going to be unboxing these beautiful brushes. They have the same packaging. It's a whole vibe this spring. This kit comes with 6 different types of nail art brushes. And then they have these cute little candy themed toppers. It's giving like elementary school when you would have the cute little erasers. And then here's a little holder for your brushes. It's giving so much nostalgia. Like, I remember having like those huge erasers for my pencils, all kinds of shapes and sizes. So that was cool. Now I went ahead and did a base coat off camera, and I'm just going to be applying 4 different colors. I'm doing like a Skittle manicure. The consistency of the gel polish was different to work with. I finally got through it. I had to do 3 thin coats. But overall, the colors are very pigmented. And here's the first coat, and let me show you the second coat. And then here's the third coat. So you definitely get a big difference in coats. But I felt like I wasn't done. I was like, let me add a little bit of sprinkles or polka dots. So I went ahead and added pink polka dots to the green one. Then I went ahead and finished up the polka dots. And I decided to add some green lines on the pink nail. The green wasn't showing up as much as I wanted it to, so I just made the line a little bit thicker. As I was staring at these nails, I realized that I'm officially ready for spring. Let me know what you think. Are you ready for spring? And I want to thank Beetles for sponsoring this video. All the products were beautiful. I love the packaging. They're great. I have no problems with Beetles, but if you want to do your proper research yourself, please do that. I'll also be linking the product in the description. And just look at how pretty these nails are. The color, everything. It's just perfect for spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. But let's be honest, I'm so ready to go put this phone charm on my phone. Like, now. So I'm gonna go do that. Bye!